Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export Google Data Studio to PDF. Okay, so once you open up your report, all you need to do is here in the top panel, you see share, okay? And next to it, you'll see an arrow pointing down. Click on this arrow and then just click on download report. It will be in a PDF format. You can go and select what pages you want. So you can toggle those. Or if you want all pages, just select all pages. There is also some additional options. You can ignore a custom background color, for example, this one. Okay, you can add a link back to the report. You can also password protect this. I'll just go ahead and download this as it is. Okay, just click on download. It's preparing the PDF. And then here at the top right, you'll see it will be downloaded. Now let me go ahead and open the PDF up in a new tab for you. Okay, so this is what it would look like. Let's go ahead and change this to 33% so I can show you easily. So let's go to page 2 and then page 3. Okay, as you can see, we have all the pages. Of course, you can zoom in and check out the metrics. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple.